Left lane, 305 for Mr. Donnie Johnson from North Carrier Automotive. 290 for Nick Clay out of Canton, Texas.
I'm almost done. About to get there. There we go. Ooh, that's nice. Okay, bam. Set that up. Don't I be doing about 2-3 things at once?
All right. Here we go. One of our RCDRL officials out there, Donnie Johnson. Drivers, here we go. Watch the lights.
Oh, snap. He done red lighted. Okay.
And Donnie goes red, 022 red. Went 365 on a 305, throwing it away to Nick Clay. Goes 314 with the 5, 290. And the Clay family at least has one car in the semifinal. They have 2 more shots at a semifinal. All right, 330 for Ethan Clay, Marcus.
I think it's there was 11 cars left.
15.
214, got it. Here we go. 214 versus a 330. Marcus is going to give him a huge head start.
Here we go, y'all.
There we go, drivers. Watch the lights. Whoa.
They went over in the other line.
390. 330. Ethan
Little
Clay.
kid won because he crossed the center lane. Safety.
For the next round, all about this Belamonte.
Safety. Because he violated safety.
Right, Bradford and Ryan.
Chief, smoke a joint. Thanks for the follow, man.
Ryan, where you at, Ryan? Oh, there he is. Okay.
Say bye
See what
bye,
happens
baby.
when you go
They
rounds, Ryan? Man, you know, you kind of rush it, right?
Look at cars over there. They aren't even running. Hey, you seen what happened with this scenario right there?
Yeah,
right?
yeah. One hit the wall, the other
you
one
go.
crossed the line.
That man hit the wall first.
Yeah.
This man on here crossed the line.
Yeah, cross the line, you lose.
Cross the line is worse because he went over into the other man's lane.
Yeah, he violated
so, there you
safety.
go. So it threw him back into the wind column. See? It changed up just like that. See?
Yeah.
Now that man had to never cross.
Right lane?
He had him because he hit the wall.
Yeah. Dang.
See?
We getting everything understood now. This seems like a long ass event. It do seem long.
People be gambling and betting. They don't know the rules on it, but you gotta get that stipulation. What you gambling, what you betting on? How you gonna do it right then and there? Got it.
Yeah.
You gonna do about grudge rules? You gonna do about
Track rules. Track rules your ass, Lou.
274 dialing
Yeah.
in the left.
But you gotta specify that.
Yeah.
Before you do what you gonna do. So how, you know?
Yeah. Safety. See, anybody could have learned that quick being up here because you gotta go on know Stuff be happening like that all the time. In real life, that ain't happening that much.
Full tree.
Ooh, I don't think he caught him.
Lights. No,
Left
not
lane.
this time. 279 takes out a 207. So he was only 5 clicks off in that left lane.
Damn.
Right lane was 7.
he cold. I
clicks
told
off.
you he
Down
was
in a
cold,
2 flat
man.
went 207.
Yes, sir.
You still got that purple?
Moves on to the next
Mustang,
round.
yeah, I still got it. I still got it.
All right. Let's
Where
see
from
we're
where,
at,
man?
guys.
Where you remember me from?
We are
I was
set
in Dallas.
Oh
I think you
yeah,
had a tire
for.
shop.
a tire shop.
I think so, something like that.
I'll probably visit at a tire shop.
We're still looking for, let's see, 7 box stock factory
Yeah.
showdown
Man, that's
semifinals.
great. What you doing over
We
here?
have quarterfinals and
I
3
moved to Arlington.
outlaws.
Oh, you did?
I was going home and I seen this.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it's going down up here today, man.
I just bought me a couple months ago. I bought me an
And
LQ9.
semifinals.
Oh
in the
yeah?
Summit Street
What you gonna
Eliminator
do to
class.
it?
Stock. Put it
Oh,
in.
you just put it in there stock.
Officially in
Okay.
the books tonight. We're way ahead of schedule.
That's enough. Already. What you
So
putting
for
it
those
in?
of you that want to
92 coupe.
92 coupe. Oh yeah, you'll feel that.
Weekend,
You'll feel that. Fuel injection or carburetor?
No, I got the whole
tonight,
motor out of a Denali.
Oh, okay.
I got everything.
Along
Okay, you
with
got an LQ9 out of a
the home
Denali,
of
y'all.
our CDRL
You gonna like that.
on Facebook. Also, I'm asking you guys to spread the word to your
You gonna
fellow
like that.
racers. We will do some heads-up racing tomorrow.
Let me see.
Those of you that are not part
make
of the
sure and
money
see what we
rounds
got.
this weekend or today, we'll have a second shot at it tomorrow. We will not have the exact same lineup. We'll combine some to save more time tomorrow, but we will run at least for sure
Trying to see.
Pro Street Outlaw.
I don't even know. I don't know what's next.
Probably
I'm
True
glad I got
Street
that.
and a big bracket class, combining everybody else. It's like an all-run. Yeah, all-run bracket. We'll combine, there'll be a total of 3 classes tomorrow.
Okay, let me see if this is. Hey, sir, so that's everything?
Oh no, we're
Oh, okay.
We're gonna get it in tonight. Right now, we're just waiting for racers to come up.
What's the next
We're looking for Box Stock Factory Showdown.
box stock
We
factory?
got Dallas
showdown?
File, Michael Douglas, Mark Murdoch, and Michael, I can't pronounce your last name, but you know who you are.
Already.